Hello, welcome to my channel. As you can see, today I'm going to share with you this really yummy apple crumbles with brown sugar custard. Very easy to do. So first things I'm going to do, I'm going to add 1 liter of milk and 400 ml of double cream, and just put them in the heat to heat up a little bit, not boiled but just heat up. So I'm doing here the custard, I'm doing double the quantity, but I will leave you in the description box how to do just half of it. So I need here 6 egg yolk with 160 grams of brown sugar. I mix them together really good. Then I'm gonna add the vanilla extract, about 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I'm gonna add 60 grams of corn flour and just mix them really good together. So then I'm gonna bring the cream and the milk and just add a little bit of it at a time and mix it together with the egg. Then I'm gonna add everything to the saucepan and just put it back in the heat while stirring all the time until it's thickened. As you can see now, it's ready. When it's like that, it's ready. So I'm just gonna put it straight away in a sieve just to get rid of any lumps that could be in there, and just leave it to cool down a little bit. For the apples, I have 650 grams of apples. I cut them to small pieces. As you can see, I'm gonna add a half teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, and just mix it together and keep it aside. So I done this one first so that you can, make all the juices come from the apples and the sugar. I also use the sweet apples. You can use the cooking apples, but if you want it to be mashed, so this one is going to stay in pieces. It's not going to mashed up after cooking it, but if you prefer it to be mashed, then use the cooking apple. For the crumbles, I have 180 grams of flour. I'm going to add 60 grams of brown sugar, 45 grams of normal sugar, custard sugar, and a little bit of vanilla extract, and I have 120 grams of cold butter. I cut it to cubes, so the butter has to be cold from the fridge, otherwise it's not gonna crumble. It's just gonna become like a biscuit, really. And then with your fingers, just keep mixing it with the flour until you have all mixed together like a crumble. That's it, really. And then I'm gonna top it on top of as you can see, the juice is already coming out. So I'm gonna cover the apples with it, pop it in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until it's all nice and brown. So it's very easy, really. The only thing that's gonna take you a little bit of time is cutting the apples. As you can see here, it's a little bit still warm. You can see all the apple juices with the cinnamon. and the apples kept its shape. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on a bowl, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of the custard, and if you like ice cream as well, vanilla ice cream goes really good with it, so you can add a little bit of ice cream if you like, hot and cold together. And that's it really. So hope you liked the video. Don't forget to share if you like it, and don't forget to like as well. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again very soon. Thank you. Bye.